Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to be making stuffed peppers deconstructed. This is unstuffed bell pepper soup. I got this recipe from my friend Simply Sara. All the ingredients will be listed in the description field of this video, and it will pop up in the ticker of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up, and please leave a comment, and don't forget to check out my previous videos. So I began by grounding 1.5 pounds of ground pork, and I'm using lean ground pork. You can use ground beef, ground turkey, ground sausage. It's totally up to you. So I have 1 onion and 3 bell peppers. Then I'm just going to add to that, and I'll chop those up. And I'm just going to cook the onions and bell peppers together for about 5 minutes. My onions and peppers have cooked together for about 5 minutes. So now I'm going to add 20 ounces of tomato sauce and 20 ounces of crushed tomatoes. I'm also going to pour in 14 ounces of diced tomatoes. I'm going to put in 14 ounces of beef broth. I'm going to give everything a stir. I'm going to shake in 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, as well as 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 cloves of garlic that I just chopped. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. That's to balance out the acidity. If you don't want to use sugar, leave it out. Just don't make a fuss over it. Give everything a stir. We're going to bring this to a boil. And then once this comes to a boil, I am going to reduce the heat and let this cook for about 30 to 45 minutes on medium heat. And then when we come back, we're going to add the rice. So it's coming to a boil, so I'm going to turn the heat down, cover it. I'm going to let this go on medium-high heat for about 30 minutes. I'm going to stir about every 6 minutes or so. So I'll let this go for about 35 minutes, just to allow everything to come together, all those flavors. And then I have 2 cups of cooked rice. So I'm just going to add that to it. Now you can use whatever kind of rice you want, and I'm using California basmati because I just love the flavor of basmati. But if you want to use regular white rice, or even if you want to use minute rice for this, you could. I don't like minute rice, but you know there are some people not good at cooking rice, and it works for them. So I'm just gonna stir everything in. Look at that! It smells amazing. So I'm just going to let this cook for about 5 more minutes just so the rice can absorb some of that flavor, and then I'm going to plate this up. So here is the soup. It makes me so happy just to see how pretty this is. Look at all that. It's just like a stuffed bell pepper with rice, and I just garnished the top with some cheese, and I love cilantro because I think cilantro and tomato really works together. Nice and cheesy. Really hot. Wow. Tastes just like a stuffed bell pepper. Wow. It's so flavorful, amazing. I did add a teaspoon of salt at the end, and I did remove the bay leaves from the pot, so don't forget to remove the bay leaves. This is absolutely amazing and hearty because it's cold. It's going to be like 20 degrees outside, so this is perfect. I'm going to serve this with some cornbread. Please give this recipe a try. Shout out to my friend Simply Sara for your amazing recipe. I love it. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share this video, add it to your playlist, and also please remember to live and be well, and remember to be positive and love each other. Thanks for watching.